Welcome to another video. Today I will show you pressure washers. Let's go ahead and check the features. Courtyards, driveways, garages, decks, sidewalks, and car wash. These are the application areas. Let's check the user manual. These are what we have inside the box. And these are the operating steps. Let's see one by one. Batteries. Here is the foam pot. Pressure washer machine, adapter for charging the batteries, and these are some attachments and nozzles. Alrighty, let's go ahead and check the operating steps. First, we're gonna put the battery, then we're gonna turn it on, press and hold. Now it's on. And this is the nozzle. We're gonna put it like that. And we have some modes. First of all, I'm gonna put this inside. See, just pass it through. And then screw it. We're good to go. Then we're gonna pull it and put it there. When you hear the click sound, that means we're good to go. Let's put the filter. We're just gonna put this right there. Now everything is ready. If you want to use the foam pot, this is how we're gonna put it. We're gonna go ahead and take this out. This is how you're gonna charge. It is very colorful. Look at that. I put some foam inside. I'm gonna go ahead and install it there. Next thing is finding a dirty car in a bucket of water. I will not worry about the water is dirty. It's because we have the filter right there. Then I can go ahead and turn it on, press and hold. Make sure the filter is at the bottom. And let's go ahead and check it out. Oh, I like this. Look at that. Next thing is I'm going to use the washer pressure. Press it and turn it to the left and take it out. And let's go ahead and put this one. Press it and turn it to the right. Now we're good to go. Ooh, okay. We can go ahead and change 15 degrees. 25 and 40. Let's see this one. Next. 0. Ooh, okay. And 15 again. Let's see this one. This is 15. I'm gonna change it to, let's see, 25. Maybe this or this. No. Okay, I'm gonna use 40. If you want to increase the level, just press there. Oh, alright. We increase the speed. words, you need to use 0 degrees. Alright, make sure the water, make sure you have enough water. Make sure you have enough water. I can definitely suggest this product because we have 5 modes, and then we have foam pot. As you can see, it is very easy to use. It's not complicated. And we have the buttons over here. You can turn it on and off, and you can change the speed. And additionally, we have 2 batteries. That's awesome. You can see the battery level right there. Definitely suggest it.